Here's a 500-word detailed description of the Pantsir-S1, SA-22 Greyhound. The Pantsir-S1, also known by its NATO reporting name SA-22 Greyhound, is one of the most advanced short to medium-range air defense systems developed by Russia. It was designed by the Instrument Design Bureau, KBP, in Tula and produced by the Russian defense industry to protect military, industrial, and strategic sites against a wide range of aerial threats. The system represents a hybrid approach, combining surface-to-air missiles (SAMs) with rapid-firing anti-aircraft guns, offering a layered defense capability. The Pantsir-S1 entered service in the early 2000s, with initial deliveries made to the Russian armed forces. It has since been exported to several countries including Syria, Algeria, Iraq, the United Arab Emirates, and others. Its combat record has been demonstrated in different theaters, most notably in Syria, where it was employed to defend against cruise missiles, drones, and precision-guided munitions. One of the key strengths of the Pantsir-S1 is its versatility. It is mounted on various platforms, most commonly an 8x8-wheeled truck chassis, which provides high mobility on roads and rugged terrain. Additionally, the system can also be deployed on tracked vehicles or stationary mounts depending on mission requirements. This mobility ensures that the system can quickly redeploy, avoiding enemy countermeasures and offering flexible protection for moving convoys, airbases, or strategic installations. In terms of armament, the Pantsir-S1 is equipped with 12 57x10⁶ or 50-76E two-stage solid-fuel surface-to-air missiles, arranged in launch tubes on either side of the turret. These missiles are capable of engaging targets at ranges of up to 20 km and altitudes of up to 15 km, making them effective against aircraft, helicopters, drones, and even some types of ballistic or cruise missiles. To complement the missile battery, the Pantsir-S1 also mounts two 30mm 2A38M autocannons, each with a firing rate of up to 2,500 rounds per minute. These cannons provide a last line of defense, engaging fast-moving or close-range targets that may evade missile interception. The system's fire control radar and electro-optical sensors are another vital aspect of its effectiveness. The Pantsir-S1 features a dual radar system, one for target acquisition and tracking, and another for missile guidance. The radars have the capability to detect targets at ranges of up to 36 km, while the tracking system can simultaneously track up to 20 targets and engage multiple threats at once. This multi-layered detection and engagement capability makes it highly effective in environments saturated with aerial threats. Another notable feature of the Pantsir-S1 is its ability to operate autonomously or as part of an integrated air defense network. It can receive target information from higher command centers or other radar stations, enhancing